Gappsi built this motorized louvered pergola for a private residence in Belle Harbor, New York. This was a custom built pergola to go around the corner of the house. The pergola is of heavy duty aluminum, power coated in white. We also installed a floating deck. This is a snap in place decking system. It's a screwless. And we also installed a glass railing on the two sides. This is the latest Louvered pergola installation in Belle Harbor, New York, built by Gappsi.